It's no secret that we are facing challenges like high rising inflation, high interest rates, and expensive housing. For this reason, the low budgeting trend has become popular among Gen Z and younger millennials. Those that practice low budgeting commit to a budget and they share their spending habits, their debts, and their financial goal on social media to hold themselves accountable. Low budgeters know that by spending money they don't have, that might take them out of track from achieving their financial goal. For this reason, they might decline invitations and they might look to do more affordable things. So, how can you start low budgeting as well? First, create a monthly budget and allocate money towards your everyday expenses, such as your bill, your rent, and whatever is left. Don't forget to put it on your phone budget. Second, create a long-term and short-term financial goal. An example of this could be saving for paying your credit card or saving for a big trip. Third, use simple saving techniques like thrifting, couponing, and going towards your statement balance to check what are some of the subscriptions that you really don't use anymore and you might want to cancel. And lastly, number 4, be frugal about your money and loud about it and don't be ashamed of it. For more tips, articles on personal finance, and free budgeting templates, follow the link in our bio at moneysend.ca.